After Kannada actress Rania Rao was arrested at Bengaluru's Kempegowda International Airport, the Central Bureau of Investigation has initiated an investigation into an international gold smuggling ring. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence intercepted her with 14.2 kgs of gold valued at rupees 12.56 crore as she was returning from Dubai. Rania was interrogated by the DRI for 3 days, was produced before the Special Court for Economic Offences here at around 4 pm. Since the DRI did not seek her further custody, the judge rammed her to judicial custody for 2 weeks and she was taken to the Parapana Agrahara Central Prison.
Is completely with the central agencies. One is by the Customs, under the Customs Act. Another is an FIR now registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Therefore, the investigation is not in the control of the state government. Secondly, every accused is entitled for protection in the law. They cannot be ill-treated, cannot be manhandled, cannot be third degree, cannot be used. These are all fundamental principles of law. I am sure the central investigating agencies will follow this. In case there is any failure or any lapses, the court will take cognizance of this.
The DRI has submitted to the court that through the smuggling attempt, Rania evaded duty amounting of rupees 4.83 crores and she was the mastermind in the case, according to the court. The court was also informed that there was an existence of syndicate to commit an offence by misusing the protocols. The DRI also informed the court that Rania wrapped the gold bars with crepe bandages and tissue around her body parts, including her thighs, which has been forthcoming as per the Mahazar. When Rania was produced before the court on Monday, she accused the DRI investigators of verbally abusing her, leading to mental distress. The DRI, rejecting the claims, informed the court that Rania never answered their questions satisfactorily, and the whole interrogation was recorded and will be submitted to the court if necessary. On March 7, before the DRI was granted Rania's custody, she had filed a bail application before the court. The court on Monday directed the DRI to submit their objections, if any, to the bail application by Tuesday. For more information, subscribe to Times XP.